I'm going to be severely nerfed if I'm cold. I'm going to put on a jacket. It's getting freezing in my. It's freezing cold in my room right now.
It's recording. We're gonna fucking do this.
Yeah, nothing funny happens when we're
We've been
recording.
playing this game so long. We had enough time to go all the way from the beginning to fighting King Slime and dying, and then doing it again.
And becoming Sans in the process.
Yes. Okay, that's gonna be immortalized. It's a fucking. It's gonna be.
Let's go.
Yeah, we can just start it here, right? Anything else we were forgetting?
No.
Pillar bullets, mini shark. Actually, you know what? If I'm gonna be using my mini shark. I just realized. So, I'm going to grab the tungsten armor. Where is it? Oh, silver. That's fine. Do we not have tungsten armor? I thought we did.
No.
Oh wait, no, we can just make it. Hold up.
Isn't tungsten the same as silver?
Slightly better.
Really?
And we're not gonna be using tungsten for much else, so. Just for now. My defense is 29.
Should we get a night owl potion?
Fuck it, yeah, sure. Why not?
Alright. Here's a hunter potion.
Okay,
And
whatever. It's fine, yeah.
Night owl.
I might as well fucking throw in shine potions too, why not?
There's only one shine potion. Here.
Whatever. That's... Okay, whatever. Alright, we're ready. No more delaying. Do it.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, buff. 3, 2, 1, slime.
How do I play video games? Oh yeah, fuck yeah. He's better falling. We gotta go around. Oh shit. Oh.
Ow!
Oh fuck. Yikes. Get on the bottom platform. Yikes, that's fucking. Wait, drop. Nice.
Did your weapon proficiency just go up?
Oh, he's already about to fucking die. Drop.
Ow!
Oh fuck. No. Fuck. Please.
I'm stuck.
Kill it.
Ow! Ah!
Please.
Get rid of the slimes.
Holy shit. Get shit on. I'm never doing this again.
Yeah, no.
Oh. Ah.
Alright, I'm gonna clear out the slimes down here.
Genuine terror when hours of progress are on the line.
Did the jewel come after you, too?
I think it did, yeah. I
think there are 2 jewels. I think there's 1 jewel for each player.
Good. Crown jewel is definitely an accessory that I'll trade a shackle for, even if it has warding.
Yeah, I'm trading the Band of Region for the crown jewel.
Dude, holy shit! I thought I was about to choke it. I was at 60.
Do you want this silent royal gel?
I also have silent royal gel. What the fuck? Why do we keep getting this? God, read the fucking lore for this bitch.
Yeah, only a fool could be caught by this pitiful excuse for a hunter. Unfortunately, our world has no shortage of those. Do you have the ninja hat?
No, I don't.
Oh, I have the ninja pants and the ninja shirt.
Same. God fucking damn it, we're not doing it again. We're not doing it again.
Yeah. I mean, we do have the royal gel now, but does that count for the king's king slime?
No, it fucking doesn't. It doesn't count for the spike slimes either.
That's what I was meaning. Does it count for the?
I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Alright, I'm ending the recording.